Is it best to create fidelity forms in collaboration with a team or to do it individually? Fidelity forms are an important part of understanding if an intervention is being implemented as intended. Some well-researched interventions may already have published fidelity forms that you can use to observe and monitor the implementation of an intervention. However, often fidelity forms will need to be created. If no pre-existing fidelity materials exist, you will need to determine which aspects of instruction you want to observe and monitor by conducting a task analysis. This is where collaboration with a team can be particularly helpful because creating fidelity forms requires not only experience with implementing the intervention, but also experience observing, coaching, and providing feedback to teachers. As your team begins to conduct your task analysis, it's important to identify observable sequential steps within a task that are needed for effective performance. The goal is to arrive at a list of steps that are detailed enough to guide the instructors who are implementing the intervention or curriculum. Task lists with very few steps might not provide enough information. On the other hand, a task list with too many steps may be overwhelming to implement and to monitor. Steps you can take with your team as you develop your fidelity form may include: 1. Observing a model of the intervention being implemented. 2. Having someone who has previously implemented the intervention review the proposed task analysis. 3. Consulting with an instructional coach or someone who is expert in implementing the intervention. 4. Testing the form before implementation. This is where team members can take turns role-playing as teacher and observer, conducting observations and providing feedback. This ensures that the level of detail provided in the form feels feasible to instructors and observers, and that the data collected provides meaningful information regarding implementation. Developing fidelity forms can be a resource and time-intensive task. However, the IRC is here to help. If you're developing a fidelity form within our Measure First tool and would like another collaborator on your team, please reach out to us using the Contact Us form on our website. We now provide free online consultations for school-based personnel in the state of Iowa, and we would be happy to serve as a thought partner in your fidelity form development.